Here I'm going to show you how to find all emergency number in a country with AI. Now to find all emergency number with AI, what you will do now is just open your DuckDuckGo browser. Now here I will show you everything you need to know on how to see all emergency number with AI. And also, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now to do, you just type doc.ai here on your search browser and now click on search.
I'm going to step off the limb now.
Now as you can see, now it will take us to the chatbot AI site. Now you see it. If you now click on this icon here, in order to select, pick your chat model here. Here I will use ChatGPT 4o mini. Click on it. Now click on start new chat here. Now as you can see, now what you will do now is just click on here, this search icon here, this search board. Click on it. Now what you will do is type in or emergency number here like this. Now what you do now is just add in the country where you are. Like here I will add Nigeria because it's my country. Now what you do now is just click on search here on this search icon. Now wait for it to generate the response. As you can see, you see all emergency number in Nigeria. You see it. Always remember to recheck it all time or to retype it to know if the number have updated. What you do now is just copy it like this. You can see it. Just copy it like this and go to your dialer and call the number. You see, and then click on call, this call icon to call it. So that's to find all emergency number in a country. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And don't forget this, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to hide your application notification. Once again, see you on the next video. Peace.